Hi friends, thank you so much for coming back to my channel and dancing with me. Today we're gonna learn a new move that I got asked to break down in the comments for my last video I updated. I always ask you to give me some moves you want me to show you because I ran out of them, I think, because I did so many complex tutorials. Me myself, I personally also struggled with this move because I couldn't understand what the heck they are doing, so I kind of do how I understand it, and I'm gonna explain it to you and we'll see. So this is how the move goes: 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's the move. All right, don't get lost, stay with me. So basically what I do is always, you remember that in shuffling we do jump, 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 jump. One jump is on the beat, one jump is in the middle, between the beats. Beat, not, beat, not, beat, not, beat, not. So here the out move is gonna be on the beat, so it's 1. So basically we start like this, we stand straight and we do and 1. So basically we our feet are straight, then we do little triangle shape, shift our weight on the toes and jump out. Right leg goes up first and we jump to the right on our left leg, twisting it, pump. So this move goes pump, and the right leg does this, pump. So it's like inwards, upwards. Got it? 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. And 1. Straight. And 1. So the position is, one leg's foot is like this, they are like that. Okay, let me show you. So 7, 8, and 1. So that's how you land. One in front of the other, and right leg is on the heel, toe is pointing up, and all the weight is on your left leg. 1. And the weight is now on the right leg already. Left is just up, but it's like hovering above the ground. 2. So it's mirroring it. And here again, left is on the heel and the weight is on the right foot. And again, in, out. So what I like to do is I do 1 and 2 and 3 and double take to the right to do like little accents. So it's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. So instead of going to the left, I just repeat one more time to the right, and then I do and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So let's see again how it is. Here, straight, and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So when you jump to the side, you kind of also go to the front. So you transition. You can start this move all the way in the back and you just work your way to the front, but just like side to side in the angle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You see, I can move like really fast with it, or you can take any direction. Let me show you in diagonal so you can see. Like this, and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. So the trick is in this move is to have your upper body centered and your legs going to the sides. So it's like 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and you see, upper body is centered, legs are going side to side. This is what creates the illusion of what? So yeah, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Let's watch from the back. 5, 6, and 7, and 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What I discovered just now is that it's very helpful. It's very helpful to let your front foot pull you in front, so you don't collapse to the side, but rather stay. You understand? Like kind of this leg holds you up. It's 1, so it's not 1, but it's 1, 2, 3, up, 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 up. Oh, what am I doing? What am I doing? What am I doing? What am I doing? And 1. Not a smooth transition, but I bet you can do better. Alrighty, I hope that was useful, and I'll see you soon. Leave me a comment again. What is the next move you would like me to break down for you? Hope to see you soon. Thank you for dancing with me.